Hey young mathematician, welcome back to our fun learning space. Today we are going to dive into real life maths problem right in a garden. Let's see how maths help us to calculate area and even find out the cost of planting grass. Ready? Let's go. Now this problem everyone faces in the school, right? Reading the word problem. I'll first read the problem, but then the next step will be these words will be converted into diagram. That will make the sum very easy. So here we go. In a garden having a length 10 meter and width 5 meter, three square shaped flower beds of side 2 meter each are designed. Find the area covered by the flower bed and the remaining area of the garden where grass has to be planted at rupees 100 per square meter. Also find the cost of planting the grass. So I've read the problem, but it will become more easy when I convert these words into diagram. So let us start. So here comes a garden A, B, C, D. And what details we have about the garden? Garden is 10 meter length and width is 5 meter. So we got an idea there is a garden where length and width are provided. Fine, but wait. Inside this garden, there is something. There are three flower beds which are square shaped. Fine. So there are three flower bed 2 by 2. So now what is our task in this sum? There are three tasks in this sum. The first task is to find the total area covered by the flower bed. Second task is finding the remaining area where we need to plant the grass. And third, we need to calculate the cost of planting the grass at rupees 100 per meter square. Sounds interesting, right? Let's solve it stepwise. So you can see on the screen a rectangular garden. So first thing we will do, we will find the area of this garden. As you know, garden is rectangular with length 10 meter and width 5 meter. So area of the garden will be length into breadth or width, that is 10 meter into 5 meter, that comes to 50 meter square. So here we have cracked the area of the garden. Now the second part is we need to find the area of these flower beds. How many flower beds you can see on the screen, students? Three. And they are square shaped. So there are three flower beds. Area of each flower bed is side square, that is 2 raised to 2. So area of three flower beds is equal to 3 into 2 square is equal to 12 meters square. So the second part of the sum is correct. If someone will ask what are the area of the flower beds in the garden, so your clear cut answer is there. It is 12 meters square. Fine, students. So here, till now, what do we know? Till now, we know the area of the garden, that is 50 meters square. Area of three flower beds, that is 12 meters square. So if anyone will ask what is the area of the flower beds, that is 12 meters square. But now we are interested in finding the area in which we are going to plant grass. So let us find the area of the garden where we are going to plant the grass. So here remaining area of the garden is 50 meters square. Area of the three flower bed is 12 meters square. So area of the remaining garden will be area of three flower beds minus subtracted from the area of the garden. So 50 minus 12, that is 38 meters square. If you see on the screen in the diagram, the flower beds are missing. It's clear cut that we have to subtract the area of the flower bed from the area of the garden. Fine, we did not mug up the formula. We need to understand the situation. So here now we have the area, that is 38 meters square, where we are going to plant grass. Fine. So here to plant the grass, we need to hire people, right? and they will tell us the cost per meter square. So the cost of planting the grass at rupees 100 per meter square. What does that mean? The remaining area of the grass need to be planted is 38 meter square as we have calculated prior. So 1 meter square, if we grow the grass, the cost will be rupees 100. But the area of my garden is 38 meters square. So I need to pay how much? It's very simple, students. If you want to find the cost of growing the grass in this area, we did not again mug up the formula. The formula is simple, that is cost per meter square into the area. That is rupees 100 into 38, that comes to 3800. So here we have it. We use simple match to solve a real world problem. The total cost, the total cost. Okay, and we have also learned how to find the area of square as well as rectangle. If you enjoyed the lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun math videos. See you in the next class. Happy learning.